Hello, today I will show you my new digital microscope. This is a very useful tool and I'm using it when I need to find bad joints or when I need to figure out what is wrong with project or circuit board. But don't get me wrong, this device can be used for any work that needs magnification. So you can repair watches with it, check your precious jewelry, or use it for studying biology. There is many useful stuff you can do. And what is best, this is also camera. It can record video and pictures. You are watching video clips made with this microscope. Right now. So this is Mustool G1200. It comes in this nice compact box, and you can find buying link down in description of this video. It have this nice and big 7-inch screen. Resolution of screen is 1024 by 600. It have a built-in battery which will give you 4 or 5 hours of working time, which is great. Here we have couple buttons for menu and settings, focus knob, and on the back side there is a slot for memory card if you want to make videos or pictures. This device can record full HD videos and up to 12 megapixels images. USB port used for charging battery or powering device, and I can also adjust the brightness of these LEDs with this potentiometer. Maximum magnification is 1200. I can set magnification by changing height of sensor. Of course, I need also focus it with this knob. There is also digital zoom, which can give you more magnification, but with digital zoom you always sacrifice quality. Device is very easy to use, menu is simple, so I will not explain every settings. It is good to know that you can choose between 16 different languages. A metal stand is nice and heavy. Overall, this is a nice digital microscope and price is very fair. Don't forget to check links in description for more data about this device. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and I will see you next week. Goodbye.